Hi, welcome to our unboxing video for the Devialet Expert 220. As you can see, really nice discreet packaging. If we just open the box here, see lots of fragile tape to make sure it arrives in good condition. Right, let's have a look. This is actually the first one we've opened, so it's nice to see it's got a good bit of packaging inside to keep it nice and safe in transit, but like I just said, obviously very discreet packaging on the outside, which is nice. Right, let's just slide this out and I'll get rid of this box, and what are you left with but the very nice smart Expert box, order file evolution system, very smart. And on the other side we've got the carry case, and let's just open this bag here. We'll just pull everything out. Just take this bag off. There we are. And yeah, very nice navy blue box there with the Devialet bag carry case, which is very nice. Before we started selling these, we had lots of customers bring them in to demo with speakers and things. It's always very nice, you know, to have that carry case for such things, you know, taking it round to a mate's house or taking it in places for demo, and it's just nice to have. Right, so how do we open this? I think by the look of it we've got another seal there to break, so we just very carefully open that seal there. And forgive me, I've not done one of these before. I think if we do it that way, like that. Oh, wow, very nice. We've got the, I think, is that the SD card there for the, obviously for the SAM. We've got the manual there. Something about the new Core Infinity. Devialet actually went round all the owners of Expert amplifiers. I think it cost them 1.3 million euros or something to update everyone's amplifier to Core Infinity. Just shows the dedication that you're already buying into. And you've got a piece of foam, and wow, look at that. We've got the actual amplifier there. Beautiful looking bit of kit. We just prop this box up a bit. There we are. So beautifully presented there. We've got the Expert 220 amplifier there, the Devialet remote, which obviously is really a piece of art in itself, beautifully done, and not actually sure what's in here, but this beautiful Expert box with, oh yes, the essential gloves for handling the unit, obviously, so that you get your fingerprints on it, and you've got a cleaning cloth there as well, which is very handy. So what we'll do now, I think we'll finish this unboxing video here, but watch this space. We'll have lots of more content on the Devialet Expert range soon, and we'll do a video review of this unit soon on its own, and doubled up as the Expert 440 as well. Watch this space.